Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going over the Artsnacks Plus box for the month of June. The first item I'm taking out is this Toya Portfolio Midtown pouch. It's 4x7 inches and retails for $5.99. I believe the material is made from felt and it's water resistant. At first glance, I didn't like the pouch because the material was rough and it didn't look cute, and I like cute pencil pouches. However, when I unzipped the pencil pouch and saw that it has two compartments, I decided this could be something I could work with. The two compartments can help me be organized by keeping my pens and pencils separate. The next item is a Strathmore 400 series toned mixed media art journal, and it retails at $21.99. It's 8.5 by 5.5 inches, 300 GSMs, and has 48 pages. I think Artsnacks was randomly sending out two kinds of this journal, one with tan paper and the other with gray. I got the gray paper, but I would have been happy with either one. Here is my snack. Warhead's Extreme Sour Hard Candy and blue raspberry flavor. It was very sour, but also quite good at the same time. Finally, I'm pulling out the mediums I'll be using to create art in this journal, and I like how Artsnacks wraps this in tissue paper, so it's kind of like a surprise. Anyway, I have two Derwent Layfast colored pencils and they retail $4.10 each. Here's the first one. It's called Green Earth. These colored pencils are oil-based and they are formulated to be 100% light fast for up to 100 years. Here is the Uniball Signal White Gel Pen with the broad nib, retails at $3.59. Here is the second Derwent colored pencil in the color Denim. This is the Kuretake Zig Fudigo Kochi Fine Tip Brush Pen, and I hope I pronounced that right. It retails at $3. The ink is water-based, and this pen is supposed to be perfect for illustration or hand lettering. Last, I have the Montana Bold Marker. It's 8 mm with a round nib, retails at $9.50. According to the Artsnacks menu, this marker is alcohol-based and has an ultra-black ink that dries quickly and permanently. The body of the pen is made of aluminum, the ink can be refilled, and the nib can be replaced. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but this marker sounds like it's the Gorilla Glue of markers, so I'm going to be very careful testing this out. First things first, let's test out this marker. It has a round nib, and to get the ink to flow, you have to press the nib on a hard surface multiple times to get the ink to flow out. And the ink does flow out pretty quickly, as you can see. I have no use for a permanent marker in my artwork, but maybe I can use it to label stuff. So I'm writing out Mia Sketchbook. That's the name of my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Now on to the exciting part. I'm about to swatch the colored pencils and pens, and I decided to do it on the last page of this Strathmore journal because I know when I'm swatching something, it's just going to turn out ugly. So I don't use colored pencils a lot because it puts too much pressure on my hands, but these oil-based colored pencils went on very smoothly on the paper. I didn't have to press on the pencils really hard, and my hands weren't getting cramped. Also, the two colors I have, the Denim and the Earth Green, they blended and layered very nicely, and once again, I didn't have to press too hard. So then, I decided I would use my new supplies to just draw stuff that I have on my desk. Right now, I'm drawing a Maneki Neko, pretty quick and easy to draw. I used the Earth Green colored pencil to do a rough layout because it's lighter in color, and then I used the Denim color to refine everything and add details and shadows. I drew this fish that I have on my desk, and unfortunately, I forgot to record this portion, so I apologize for that. I really love drawing on toned paper because it's typically a mid-tone color, and it makes it easier for me to add shadows and highlights. And speaking of highlights, this white Uniball pen is awesome. The ink came out very smooth and it doesn't skip at all. But anyway, you guys, I really liked this month's box, and I'm glad that I switched over from the regular Artsnacks to the Artsnacks Plus box. So I'm looking forward to future boxes. Thanks for stopping by and enjoy the rest of the video. See you next time. Bye.